Magicbricks has released its quarterly rental index, which gives insight and detailed data analysis of rental trends across 13 major cities in quarter 2 of 2022. With life back on track in the post-COVID scenario, offices and schools have reopened in most cities. This has led to a reverse migration of a large section of workforce that had worked remotely during the pandemic. Even as the demands from tenants is on the rise again, the current supply is not keeping the pace. What is the impact of the demand-supply mismatch on the rental rates, and what can tenants expect in the coming quarters? We will give you answers related to all these queries in this episode of Property Matters. In this episode, we will talk about what changed in the rental market of Gurugram in second quarter of 2022. Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Property Matters. I'm your host, Reena Gaurav. Life in Millennium City Gurugram is back to normal. This is largely because most workplaces are either completely functional or operating on a hybrid model, which means that employees need to attend office 2 to 3 times a week. Not only this, all educational institutes are back to offline mode. These two factors have led to an increase in demand for rental properties in Gurugram. In quarter 2 2022, the demand for rental properties in Gurugram increased by 21%, whereas supply remained stable at 1% after a decline of 8% in quarter 1 2022. Quarter 2 also saw an increase in rental rates by 9.3%. Looking at the configuration-wise preferences in Gurugram, residents are preferring both 2 and 3 BHK apartments, which account for about 70% of total searches. The supply of 3 BHK is maximum in the city and accounts for 44%. The average rental in DLF Phase 1, 2 and 3 for 3 BHK apartments is 47,000 rupees per month. If we talk about rentals in New Gurugram, one can rent a 3 BHK apartment for 21,000 rupees per month. New Gurugram and localities situated along Sohna Road are affordable and hence they emerged as the most searched rental micro markets. If we talk about the preferred rental range in Gurugram, around 57% tenants preferred rentals below 30,000 rupees per month. Let's take a look at Gurugram's top 12 localities with highest demand and the average monthly rentals for a 2 BHK unfurnished property of 900 square feet and a 1300 square feet unfurnished 3 BHK. Average rental rate of a 2 BHK residence in these 12 localities fall between Rs 12,000 to 28,000 rupees per month. The average rental rate of a 3 BHK property is in the range of Rs 19,000 and Rs 38,000 per month. Rentals in DLF City Phase 5 are maximum in both 2 BHK and 3 BHK category, whereas the rentals are lowest in Palam Vihar. These are the few interesting facts that the Rental Index report has mentioned. In major cities, the increased demand has resulted in higher leasing, leading to fewer vacant and available rental homes. Secondly, most of the under construction properties units are being bought by end users and not investors. Hence, the supply of new units that can be afforded for rent purpose to consumer is reducing. You can get an in-depth study of Gurugram's and other metro cities' rental market for April, May and June quarter in the Magicbricks Rental Index. The link of the detailed report is given in the description box. Hope you liked the show. Do subscribe to MBTV. This is your host Reena Gaurav signing off with camera person Manish Sharma.